Low-calorie Swedish meatball experiment. Start off with lean ground turkey, a whole package, 1 egg, a quarter cup of Italian breadcrumbs, a teaspoon each of garlic, onion powder, thyme, salt, and pepper. Give it a good mixy mix. Form into meatballs. Then on a medium-high pan, you are going to brown these up all on each side really nicely. And then you're going to set them aside while we build our gravy. Better than bouillon is the best. 2 cups of water. And then we're going to stir in our Greek yogurt, a tablespoon of butter to bring it all together, and don't forget some xanthan gum to thicken it up. Meatballs go back in the pool. You're going to simmer these. Add some more thyme because it tastes so good. Let them simmer for a good solid 20 minutes until they're fully cooked through. I end up having to cut mine in half and give them a good taste. Follow me for more healthy eats and fitness fun.